Alright, so if you guys knock this off or trying to change your rear view mirror to put it back on, you have to make it this way. You have to take out the bottom piece and the top piece, and I've been trying to, because once you take this off you actually pry it off. You can pry it off, but to put it back on you have to find this sweet spot, and it's a twist. You're gonna have to wait, hold on. Alright, you're gonna have to twist it. So I had it like that. You'll feel it. You feel it grab and then twist. There. You're gonna have to play with it, but you'll feel it. I was trying to take it off so I could put my wolf box, but that's just how it is. I'm gonna have to live with it, with this fat rear view mirror, because it has a connection. There's a bunch of wires from here, bunch of wires that's connected to the camera or sensor, light sensor. So, and then I think that's my wiper. But yeah, just to put this back on. To remove it, you gotta take everything apart and then twist.